Good morning. Good morning, chat. Good morning, lovely community. Good evening. How do you feel? How's it going? Great to see you. Great to see you guys. Hi. How do you feel today? How do you enjoy your weekend? And if you're ready, guys, let me just begin with the questions. Are you guys ready to break that yellow line? Tell me. Are you guys ready to attack that yellow line and pretty much confirm some movements in a different trend? Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Great to have you on board. Great to have you on board. Hey, great to see you. Evening. Good luck. Best of luck. All that, guys. Hey, cheers, everyone. Take your green tea and enjoy trading. Quite heavy today with the tariffs and with the all sorts of wildness out there. Keep in mind, I'll tell you from the beginning, guys. Thursday, the 26th Thursday, we're gonna have 1 year anniversary streaming. 1 year anniversary streaming on the 26th on Thursday. And we're gonna shout out giveaways for that. A lot of them. A bunch of money is gonna be on the table. You guys have to grab it, enjoy, trade, and get your payout. Right? So 26th of February, Thursday, we're gonna be out there for 1 year anniversary. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much. Like the video. Come on, guys. It's not possible to have the numbers we're having there on the statistics. It's not possible. We gotta raise the energy. Come on, guys. Raise the energy. Time to do some business. So, sign up for the giveaways. Sign up. Like the video out there. Be subscribed. And do the usual thing. We're gonna trade a lot today. We're gonna get started with YRM, but we're gonna continue with a Lucid. We have a lot of Lucid Flex accounts in the evaluation stage, and 2 of them are very close to transform them into funded, right? So hopefully today is the day to have 2 accounts funded, transformed today. We can actually confirm that. Good morning, welcome everyone. We're gonna get started with the YRM. We're gonna trade basically our way. They're still running they pretty much extended the Valentine's promotion. And we're having the same prices like with the Valentine's, so that is absolutely great for the YRM. Continuing our way. Yes, there you go. Look at that. We're speaking about. Oh, but let's just update people with the link. You guys remember on Friday how we hit tomorrow on the wheel? Good morning. 500 bucks to pass your Lucid today. Good job, buddy. Good job. Best of luck out there, and the very important thing, trade just like you are trading up to this moment. Do not get the extra cautiousness, and do not get surplus of exposure. No. Just like the way you've been trading, that's the way you gotta continue. So, let me just share the presentation with pretty much all the communities. Make sure you guys do the same. Do the same, guys. Come on. You guys want to do the same. In all the communities, in all the trading groups, pretty much everywhere. Invite people. Let's look into the 15-minute structure is interesting. We're bouncing from the 900s, and that's something to keep in mind. Yeah, the struggle appears on the flat 25,000 today. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Flat 25,000 is going to be struggle. Watching some of the numbers here closely, there is a trending line confirmation on the 15-minute here, which is temporary intact. People might just get over enthusiasm around 25,000, but the resistance holds all the way to 25,140's last week high. Right, so a breakout above 25,000 is not going to fully confirm a pretty strong continuation for the upcoming days unless you clear your 139, 25,139. So technically you got to clear that. And you have to clear that with momentum. Otherwise the existence of a fake out is there and you wouldn't want to be part of it. Top of the morning, great to see you guys. Great to have you out here. Head and shoulder, yep. Head and shoulder possibility, but it looks like we're keeping up some momentum right now. We're dealing with some of the momentum right now. Watching this one closely. I'm going to get into my 5-minute perspective. This is day number 6 is going to be today. I want to start trading. We have the big account as well, which has $23,000 profit right now on YRM. Good morning, great to see you guys. Hope you're gonna have an amazing week. Amazing week out there. You smile. We're living. We're gonna take advantage of that with some great energy. So that's why we are 2,249 here on this one. I'd like to make some money here. I'd like to make some money here. Yeah. I'd like to do 1,600. On this one. The 1 minute is not looking too promising. It's looking quite dirty. And the 5-minute too. Watch that, guys. So I'm testing out a possibility of a momentum here downwards. Right? Look at that. Look at that, a 5-minute. $906 daily volume at average price. Good morning, good evening. 5 minutes, we're constantly rejecting here for the past 20 minutes, guys. So we haven't done too much with it. I'm testing out a short from here with the momentum. I'd like to go for that daily volume at average price touch around 906. My target is sitting on 909, so I should be fine with that. Come on, press the pedal. It's looking good. Press the pedal, guys. Come on. Do it. 1 year anniversary on 26th of February. Streaming for a year. Look at that, guys. Market makers are listening. Market makers are listening. Stop loss and break even. We're leaving for a continuation. I am selling partially. And I'm fully out. $1,315 profit. Celebration time. Thank you so much, guys. Celebration time. There you go. First trade of the week. 1,315. Boom. Wow. The energy is high. Feels great. 1,315 for YRM. We're trading 150,000 instant funded. And this is heavily discounted right now, insanely discounted right now. How many contracts? We've been having like 50 micros, something around that. 50 micros trading the micro side of Nasdaq, which is what we're usually doing for YRM. Probably I'm going to trade the minis where we've got the huge account. You know, we made in a single day last week $32,000 in a single day. Good job, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Don't be shy. You're not going to be able to win an account and participate in the giveaway. The giveaway is happening on the live stream. As soon as I finish trading, we're doing 3 giveaways today, sharing $150,000. Hey, you guys love that exit I had? Look at that. Tell me, do you guys love that exit and bouncing we've got? Now, I'm not going to trade on this account today anymore. No more trading on this. It's enough. We are day number 8, so we have the minimum days of trading already achieved. But we don't really have the money because we had a big losing day, which kind of pushed me away. Yet obviously, it's not going to stop me from going back to the target. The target is at 8,000, so I need an additional 4,500, which kind of means I need 3 more days on this account, like we had today. There you go. That's a good challenge. Good job, buddy. Good job, guys. Looking for a sell-off today. Well, you see what's happening with the tariffs. Market had a pretty strong movement for the last couple of hours to the upside, right? So since the opening is, we're trading indeed below the opening, but the momentum right now is for the upside. We've been having after the opening a downside momentum, right? So we've been dumping 200 points after the opening and then slowly coming back to recovery. We might no longer have the same reaction of sell-offs each and every time Trump is coming out with tariffs. We might have an opposite reaction, becoming more and more popular. We used to know it. We used to have it constantly. It comes out with all sorts of economical tensions, and the market is selling off. Well, what happened in the last couple of hours is, especially this move here, guys, is kind of telling me a little bit different for today. That move, right? So from 885 all the way to 25,000, that move technically is not that friendly with the sell-offs. I would have loved to see this and then a continuation downwards at some point that would actually favor the theory of a massive sell-off today. Unless, of course, we have some more news that are unknown at the moment and we can't correlate any technical approach to them. So the expected side is a little different. Look at that. The buying pressure is here constantly delivering. Let's just go ahead and trade the next accounts. Probably at the opening I'm gonna I want to pass Lucid, guys, today. Have a bunch of evaluations that I want to pass. A bunch of evaluations. By the way, you want to trade your Lucid into perfection is out here with massive discounts, 50% off. We just talked about in our Discord under sales and promotions. If you still have the 50% off possibilities, otherwise it's 40, and if you have consumed your 40% off tickets, it's 30. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, we're usually talking about have to update Discord with the current weekly sales and promotions roundup. Look at that move, guys. Speaking volume and strength, this is an important account too. Let me double check. The 716. We have day number 6 today, which means we're needing 2 more days after this. And we would actually need 3,300. Right, this is something I'm going to trade right now. The one that's, you know, quite close to the payout. You see, when you have a pattern that's looking like this, which is always pushing higher and then reversing. Look at that. How many times we've applied this? 5 different times. We're in the same situation here. Will it happen again? What do you think, chat? Will it happen again, or this is going to be a runner? Tell me, chat. How do you feel about this? It's your time to shine. We could get a runner. I think there is more and more people behaving based on what we had here. And I think the market makers do enjoy creating a segment of patterns, which then it is a perfect spot to break it. Why? Because the segment of pattern is generating a cyclic behavior on the market, right? So that behavior is predictable by the market makers. Where is what's the action? Knowing that, you can press the pedal in the desired direction, which is the opposite. You break the cycle. And then you can go for a nice runner with their exits, right? With their exit liquidity at some point, you can go for a nice runner. Look at that, guys. I'm testing along here. You see that wick we just got right now? Could be decisive. Could be decisive. Good morning, guys. Welcome, everyone. Let me turn on my quant tower. We gotta start passing evaluations on Lucid. I'll make a video, guys, with Trade C, the new platform for Lucid. I'll make a video for that. Yeah, if we look into a different time frame, things are changing a little bit for sure. Yeah. Yeah, of course, we gotta wait for the closure of that 1 hour and see how things approach. You know, it has been a supply representation here. Breaking through supply is gonna give a bunch of fuel from the late shorts. So I'll just go break even quite quickly here and maybe take my profits early. We might just grab some liquidity around that level and then reverse again. So, or it's gonna be a good, strong runner. Let's just increase the take profit like that. Stop loss and break even, guys. You're sitting back and watching printing. Printing for a happy Monday start. Keep it going, baby. Keep it heavy. Come on. Look at that. This candle right here. Keep going. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Come on. I sold partially. A little bit. Sold another one. One more. I'm fully out. $915, guys. Celebration time. This is very important. This is very important, this money. It brought me close to the pound. Close to the pound. What a great fireworks show. Boom. 2 out of 2. First one, 1,315. The second one, 915. I'm gonna call it a day on those 2 accounts. Make sure to like the video, guys. Look at that. 150 people watching. Assuming they want to win giveaway accounts for free. No cost to participate. It's totally free, guys. Assuming you guys want to win, you have to like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. If you're not doing this, including completing the giveaway form, you cannot participate. Right, so I sent you all the links in the chat. This is the place, guys, where we could actually expect some 964, 65 rejections. I got this big account here, and I'm gonna move into trading Nasdaq for the mini side. And then let me see how do I organize my Lucid accounts here in the meantime. I do know we have 2 accounts that are close of being funded. 2 accounts. For the big and lovely Lucid. Tremendously, tremendously valuable. Good morning, buddy. Good morning, guys. We have been having fireworks already. Been busy about watching fireworks. Less trading, more fireworks today. So we have an account here. Evaluation, 3rd day. Evaluation, 3rd day. This is what we had. This is one of the accounts that's very close to being funded. 150,000 Lucid Flex. We've made in a day 4,829. That's more than 4,500. Speaking about a 50% consistency. So my profit target has increased from 159 to 159,659. So I have to do $660 extra because of that. And I have 158,422. So I have to do today $1,300 on this account. 1,300. And then I'm gonna make it funded, right? So I've selected the account. Look at that rejection, guys. This is the fireworks week, exactly. Blizzard. 12 inches of snow. Oh my gosh, Jake. It keeps you in shape, man. You see? You're living in a perfect space, keeping you in nice shape. I tell you, it helps you for trading as well. It helps you a lot. $12AC is renting bots. If you guys want to participate for the giveaways, he's renting bots. He's charging euros, not dollars. About 200 euros per session. Ha 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 ha. $50% off? Yeah, if you use my code at his butts, you're gonna get 60% off. Just gotta be informed. This is where we are, guys, here. Not an easy moment of opening trades. Not an easy moment. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. He's gonna give you... Oh, you like this balance? 173. People donated that money. That's the new feature. People can donate their profits to you. This is the new feature of the platforms. They made too much money and they decided to donate that. So I got a bunch of donors. Great to see you guys. New to channel, loving it. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe. And of course, we're daily out here. Daily. Minus 3,000. You can donate some money in a reverse form. There used to be reverse calling back in the day, where you got reverse charging. Wow. Good morning. Great to see you guys. I'm questioning the markets here. Could it be previous flat supply here turning into demand? Could be. Is an initial reaction on a 5-minute that is not problematic, is not. You know. Might test out along here. I'm testing out along here for a strong continuation. Otherwise, I clearly know my invalidation point here. It's simple. Right, so I like these entries where I clearly have an invalidation point. I like those. Those are trades that have an environment which is easy to be handling, right? A lot easier. It's touching something, you're out. Look at that. We're having the flat opening of the hourly soon, guys, in 6 minutes to go. So we might be able to do something above this levels. I'm in a long right now. Only on this account, nothing on Quant Tower. We're waiting for Quant Tower. We still have to trade our way. $1,300 here, and we pass the evaluation. Lucid Flex 150,000 there. Good morning, great to see you guys. So happy about it. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. If you use the Scramble code at the supermarket, you're gonna pay more. You're gonna pay more, unfortunately. There is a tax of association with a brand, 12AC. You want to associate with my brand, you paying a tax on your groceries. I'm sorry. But it's costing in life. Things are costing in life, right? You're associating with the brand, you're paying the price. 30% more in groceries. Scramble tax. Yep. I got deals with the governments and they're wiring me the money. Come on, guys, just have a nice runner here. I'm not too enthusiastic of what we're looking at. So I'm just selling partially, you know. I'm fully out. I lost $10 here, but I'm fully out. I am doing right now 7 minis. That's what I did. Thank you, guys. I'm in minis right now. I bid in micros, but I'm trading this account alone on minis, and I'll tell you why. This account is a little bit special. Last week, we made 32,500 in a single day. We simply had some trades that were producing a little bit too much. $70 minis, 7 minis, 70 micros. There's a slight difference between minis and micros. There's a slight difference. $32,500. So with 20% consistency, $32,500 in a highest day. Do the math, guys. You know, I said it at the end of the stream. I'll accept the challenge and I'll try to do whatever amount needed, like 150 or so, right? $160,000. I'll set the challenge and I'll try to do that. You see why we got out of the trade? Double rejection appearing there. And we had timing for the momentum. So this was a SPA. They let the price action sit there, rejected right before the candlestick is closing. You guys have to watch these details. Let me explain you something. If a candlestick, especially when we're looking at the 1 minute, for the majority of its time, and that's 60 seconds, the total time, the majority of its time means 50 seconds. If the majority of the time, 50 seconds, looks in a specific way, is designed in a specific way, and then the last 10 seconds of that candlestick closes in a total different way, which translates into a different message to you. That's a signal, basically, guys. It's a signal, and you gotta keep that accordingly. It's kept like that for 50 seconds for a reason, and then turns against, shows another thing. It's printed like that forever, and it should be traded in a different way, right? That's a problem, basically, for people, and they're getting trapped, and this is what happened here. They got trapped there. Scalpers. Yeah, those two candlesticks that I've been showing with two shadows, wicks right there, is exactly the case scenario. I'm not convinced about any trade right now here. Not convinced. Might be a good idea to test out some shorts, but we have the flat hour coming out in 2 minutes, and we're gonna get some volatility spike, and markets could actually start some algos that have not been if the spike and dump appears in the last 10 seconds of the candlestick, is a signal, is a message delivered basically for the traders. It's part of the liquidity grab process, exactly. And then you also have basically the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, different kind of liquidity grab on higher time frames, where we are looking at inefficient candlesticks, and we know the price action has to go there for the market makers to fill up their positions. So there's quite a few understandings depending on the context we're into of the liquidity grab process. But I think that's very important to understand where does the price action needs to move when you have to get out your trades to understand the game of liquidity. Right, normally here you would do this, guys. Normally, right? Look at that. I'm testing out a short. Let's see what the new hourly brings. We're quite close to that yellow trending line, and they might want to test it. That's my only fear. That's my only fear. Yeah. It's something very, very contextually, right? So I'm closely watching the behavior, and I'm attaching the live behavior to the context we are from the price action standpoint, right? So if I'm waiting for a denial and there's signs of denial appearing in that candlestick, I'm taking my shot. I'm waiting for a momentum into, for example, reversal and then continuation with momentum. I like to have the context in my mind, and then I want to see confirmation of the context that's in my mind on the price action. Look at that. That rejection out here is not good. We wanted to reverse here. We wanted to reverse, and then we got denied. Let's keep that in mind. This is happening basically with the new candlestick of the hourly. Let's see. There might be a trending line resistance here, honestly. I don't know. Could be. This one. Could be. Could be. Ha 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 ha. Bring it down, guys. Come on. We're pretty juicy there. And, oh my gosh. Well, the little bulls are here. Yeah, not fully convinced. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. Trading the YRM and trading the Lucid today. We'll trade other props if I got the time. But we're doing 3 giveaways. Each will have 50 grand. Tremendous amount of money. Yeah, this is 150,000 instant funded for YRM, which is right now running on a massive promotion. With my code, it's a bigger promotion than what is on the website. There is an additional promotion on top of the pricing from the website. It's just $450 with my code. 6 grand drawdown. 3,000 pounds. Once you hit 8,000, which is less than 6%. Come on, guys. This could be interesting, right? Look at that. I also have a trade, a short here. Look at that, guys. A short here. I'm selling partially because I need 1,300, like I told you. I'm putting break even. It's good that we sold something earlier. Yeah, 443. So from 1,300 we made 443. It's good. And on this side, I accepted a partial loss earlier. We're 354 down, realize loss, and we still have this particular part. I accepted a partial loss once we got this green candle, guys. Let me clear that up. So we actually got this green candlestick, and I accepted a partial loss here. Yes, I got an email with TradeC. I'm gonna make a tutorial video, guys, probably tomorrow, with a TradeC. It's a new platform with rhythmic connection. I'll make a video for that and explaining how does the platform works. I'll make a tutorial, a complete tutorial. Yeah. So don't bother with it. I'll make a video and show you all the things, guys. All the things. Yeah, those are interesting levels, Mr. Knifer. Interesting levels to consider for sure. I just DC it right now. It's a critical point. It's a critical point right now. I've DC'd a little bit. I'm happy to get out if we don't reject. I'm happy to get out. But this is a critical point. Yes, it's free to use TradeC with Lucid. Yes, it's free. But I'll make a tutorial video, guys, so you don't bother your heads around it. You know, they are trying to replace, from my opinion, Project X, right? Something very similar or similar to that. We're going to talk about it. I'll make a video. 925. It's an interesting point, yeah. This is kind of a trending line we have here, resistance. If we successfully clear, we might have a runner. If we successfully clear that. But we have to be careful. This is pre-market price action. And it's a little bit different than what happens with the breakouts during the New York session, guys. It's a little bit different. It's not that easy to perform breakouts, and it's a lot easier to perform fake outs during such sessions like we're right now. Yeah, that's interesting, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to join our Discord. You have to be part of our Discord to win the giveaways. Like the video, come on. Like the video, be subscribed. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. We're in a heavy short. 10 minis. 10 minis short on my Quant Tower. For the account, we're looking to confirm and pass the 100. Look at that, guys. Just a little bit deeper. 2 more points. Come on, guys. We're passing the evaluation Lucid Flex. There you go. $159,898. The evaluation has been passed. And I'm going to run the fireworks here. I'm going to run the fireworks. We just passed another Lucid Flex of 150,000, guys. That feels so good. So good. Oh my gosh, where is it? They have to update it here. They have to update the number here. Come on. There you go, 1,476. The balance needs to be updated too. Ten minutes short. 10 minutes short. I felt the momentum there. And I've been taking my shot. Now we gotta take care about this one, which is not looking bad for the short. Not looking bad. We need a candlestick like this. And it could be juicy, guys. Could be juicy. Yeah. Lucid dashboard updates quickly. The only thing that needs to be updated is the balance. Right, so my target is 159,658. How much do we have? 159,898. Fully confirmed. Wow. Would have been good to continue with the price action there down. It would have been good, guys. But I'm still holding it. I'm still holding it. I don't like the lack of acceptance above 945, 946. There is a lack of acceptance above this level. For the past minutes. So they've been constantly trying to push and then back. Push back. If we got sufficient people trapped here, or let's put it this way, trapped here, then breaking 925, 26, breaking this here could actually snowball into levels below 910 easily. Yeah, thank you, Fred. Yeah, we're gonna focus on another one, because we've got two for today that are very close. Let me see, how is the next one? How is the next one? This is the account. It has 158, 267. We have a 4,500 and a 3,700. And we have 733 remaining. Right, so 733, $800 we gotta do here. And we pass. The target is 159. This one is not looking good, guys. I'll put a stop loss in the high. That's it. I'll put a stop loss in the high. Yes, it's very nice to have multiple accounts. 10 days is a little bit too much indeed. Especially when that you requested. The approval time is quite long right now, but I've been told that it's going to be fixed from early March. So, looking forward to seeing that fixed back to the way it used to be with the payouts on the same day with their automated system. We got stopped out here. We still have 20 grand drawdown. But $20 grand drawdown here. You know, I've said earlier, we might seek to fill up the gap here and touch the resistance trending line. So, what do you think of the 25,000 Lucid Flex? Let's just look into the Lucid Flex, guys. Lucid Flex is no consistency and target on the funded stage. Is something insane. Something insane as a valuable model of account, right? But then looking at the sizings of the account, just as I said in my previous videos, the price gap between the 25,000 and 50,000 is not worth it. Is $21 or less than $21 extra. You have to pay for a double max loss limit. The max loss limit is what kills your account. So it's a priority for you to research and to be sure about it, right? That's a feature of quality. When you pay for a price, when you pay for a product, the max loss is a feature that has to be integrated in part of the quality of the service, right? So you get double max loss without having double the price. Just an additional $21 or something like that. Depends. You test the Scramble coupon code, gives you the max discount. Existing, but maximum discount for you is going to be there. I think it's going to be an even smaller difference than 20 bucks. So it's certainly not worth it, guys. Certainly, this is a trap. The 25,000 flex is a trap. It's certainly a trap. And usually they are creating products that are not as good as the ones they want to sell, right? So the 25K is make you to certainly buy the 50K. It's putting spotlight on the 50K. The 25K product is made from the marketing standpoint to create spotlight for the 50K. Yeah. So I think the max loss is priority to be evaluated and considered. And then of course the payout there is 2,000 for the 50K. I mean, there's a big difference on the 25,000 account with a 50,000 account payout. Big difference. Let me quickly look into that for you. Right, so for 20 bucks extra, you can have a double payout. That's 1,000 more. You have 1,000 extra max loss and 1,000 extra payout for 21 bucks. The 25,000 is never ever worth it. And like I said, from marketing standpoint, you create a product which is not good and you put it next to the one you want to sell. So the one you want to sell, it's going to look even better because you created a non-attractive product next to it. This is the marketing side of the business, and I have been wiped out here like a silly guy. What a silly guy. Look at that. That's where I close my trade. Silly scramble. We got 20 grand drawdown. Oh my gosh. Not an issue for sure. Not an issue. We're gonna push it back. We're gonna take it back. Clear rejection from the trending line. It's there. That length trending line is there on their chart. So they are running the algos. Yeah, certainly market makers have played some games with me on the stream today. We got 9 minutes to go. Change the phone. Forget about phones. Do not change it. Get one with buttons. Like a Nokia or something like that. Forget about phones. I'll send you something if you want. I got no idea about no idea about a comparison, guys. You guys used to be. How is it? How is the pixel, guys? You enjoy it. You might be having fun with it. Hey guys, good to see you. Good morning. Then you are legit community member. You are legit community member. The problem was not the duck race. The problem was the lack of resilience of the smartphone you had. Your smartphone was not sufficiently resilient to the level of emotions of the duck race. So you gotta ask the ducks, what kind of phones are they using? Good video on the Lucid accounts. Yes, appreciate it. Yeah, let me do that, guys, right now. Let me grab the video I posted yesterday, and I'll put it in the chat. You have to like it. You have to get out there and like the video. We have to make it extremely popular. No joke. Get a shareable link. It's posted on my channel. That's the video I posted on the chat. It's the last video I posted. Complete review on Lucid. You want to get out there and like the video, guys, right now. I'm watching. We're having 40 likes on that video. 40. We got to take that up much higher. And then we're going to do the giveaways. Come on. Yeah. This is part of the requirements. Strong Nokia. That would help the problems and the frustrations of the duck races for sure. That will contribute to a self-regulation. Come on, guys. We have 48 likes. Bring up the numbers. Do not let me down. Yeah. Give me some juice, guys. I'm testing along here. This could be an interesting... If this candlestick holds, could be the start of something stronger. Look at that. Give me the juice, guys, here. I'll put it in the ducks for you. And I got into a long for my Lucid. 2 longs, actually. Come on. This account needs about $700. Just a little spike. Not much. And we passed the second, guys. There you go. We passed the second account. We passed the second account. 159,131 second challenge. We passed the second challenge. Who's on fire today? Come on, guys. Who's on fire? Lucid Flex 150,000. We passed the second. And I'm selling this one here for the moment. I'm out. I needed that money. I'm telling you, I needed that money so much. We are on fire. We just passed the second account. Let's see how quickly they update. Let's see how quickly they update. What's today? 23rd. They have to update that for 23rd, guys. We're going to refresh the page. See the breakout in the meantime here. Come on. Update. There you go. Updated for 23rd. Oh my gosh. I've got right now 3 funded. 3. We are having 3 funded right now. But we got quite some more. Quite some more in the evaluation. Quite some more. Look at that. Are we breaking out right now? Are we? Thank you, guys. What do you guys think about this movement we're having? You guys believe in this? Right before the opening, a breakout here. Let me show you on the 15-minute. Look at that one, guys. You guys believe in this line? Breaking out. We have a gap there. We have a gap there. The gap is located above 2560s. So let me get to your questions, guys. If in a 50k, the first day you made 1,000, today can I go up to 2,000? Nah. Do not do 2,000 in a 50k zombie, because it's too much for consistency. Keep it maximum 1,500. If it's in the evaluation phase. The funded phase is not having consistency. You can go as wild as you want. But the evaluation stage, do not cross 1,500 for the 50k. Do you have a tutorial on how your quant tower set up? Like how to set up in general quant tower? It's very simple. You just connect to your account from the credentials you have in your dashboard from the prop firm you want to connect with. Right, so connect with the credentials. You create a connection, you're connecting. And then other stuff, I don't really have a tutorial because I don't have any specific things here. It's just a trading panel and that's it, right? Look at that. It's just a trading panel here on the right side that I'm using for execution, guys. Trading panel, selecting the accounts there, and then the account info. So I'm pretty flat on that. 1 minute to go, guys. If you have any questions about quant tower, specific questions, you know, can let me know. Could be the double top 25, yeah. Obviously, yeah, 25 is going to be heavy supply. Good job, Gabriel. Good job. Yes, you went to 2,000 on evaluation and you've pushed your target higher. Correct, Martinez. Because your 2,000 is not gonna, should not be worth more than 50%, so it's 4 grand. It's pushing your targets. Like I made more than 4,500 on 150k. So I pushed my target higher. This is another Lucid Evil. It's having 153. Few seconds and the market is opening. Opening bell here. Boom. It's running, guys. It's running. We're only back to the daily opening. 33. Yeah. 25.33 daily opening, guys. I'm testing a short here. I'm out. We made maybe $200. We have shorted on the daily opening. Daily opening is at 33. Daily, weekly. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe. Yeah, the account info. Probably you can change your the size of your text. You can change that on Quantar to have it more visible. Yeah, look at that retracement, guys, from the daily opening. We have exited out a short we had there. Not gonna blame myself because you know, at that time of the markets, if you do not take advantage, and we have been experiencing that for numerous times, if you don't take advantage of the money at the opening, in a millisecond it disappears, right? So the trade and hope is not working. You take advantage of the money and you close your trade and that's it. Otherwise, the markets are running back in so many cases. Like working with break-evens is hardly efficient on the openings. You know, you need to have a runner. And that kind of changes. Yeah, we got a daily and weekly rejecting, guys, but you gotta be careful. It's Monday, markets were dumping, and like I said, people expecting today for the price action to take a nosedive. There's a lot of the people correlating again. Trump comes out with tariffs during the weekend. Markets on Monday crash. This is a pattern we had. So I don't know if this is going to repeat forever. I tend to consider at some point this pattern is not going to continue. Right, so same event. I mean, not the same event, but approximately similar event creating a different outcome. Now look at that. They're pushing it back, guys. So are we going to reject here once again? Look at that. I don't know. I'm not too convinced we're going to reject here once again. If we get a red candle down into 70s, 50 points down from here, that's a such manipulated price action. Yeah, he's talking about wars as well. So there's a lot happening for sure. Look at that drop. Testing out a little short here. I'm out. We made $300. That's good. And I'm backing along here. Come on. Come on, guys. I'm ready. Stop loss and break even. We made money from short earlier, and now I'm hoping to make money from this long. Oh my gosh, you see I didn't exit it on that wick. Should have exited on that wick. We had $800 on that one. And look at that, complete denial. And this is a situation that might make me angry. Should have exited out of that. We had such good opportunity. We made money from short, we've jumped into a long, we made money from that long, and I put a stop loss break even for the hope of a strong momentum. But you don't get that, Scrembo. Wake up, man. Not gonna tell, but you see, I don't like it. Because the whole procedure was good, and I missed the final point, final countdown. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That could be interesting. That could be interesting, guys. Come on. That could be interesting. What do you guys think? No. No. I just put my stop loss there. Lovely, guys. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely trades here. It's not looking bad. Stop loss and break even at this point for my quantile representation. Come on. This is on stop loss break even. This is a little problematic here. Yeah, we got stopped out there. How dirty, guys. How dirty they came back. Look at that. How dirty. They came back to take that wick. How dirty was that? We're printing here. I'm out of this thing. We're making way too much money. 8,000, 9,000. And I'm out from the other account too. We're making way too much money from the other account. We made 7,500 here. That's way too much money for the consistency. So we have to lose something on this one. Right? We shouldn't cross 4,500. We got to lose 3,000 bucks here, guys. Looks like today is the day for working around some nice Lucid accounts. We gotta lose 3,000. I just longed it. We gotta lose 3,000 here. I don't want to cross 4,500. And then I have to see the other account too. Where I think we made too much on that one too. I'm happy for today. We've got 2 funded. 2 targets touch on YRM and 1 daily loss on the big account where we have 18,500 drawdown left. 18,500. Look at that. Lovely. The loss has been touched. $4,383 confirmed. And this brings me to 158,348. So what does it mean? It means tomorrow with $700 we pass another Lucid Flex of 150,000 evaluation. Great. Great, guys. Time to see the other account we made a lot. 6,200. Too much. We need 4,500 maximum. So that means we have to lose 1,700 or something like that. Yeah. We're gonna long it. I think it's easy to lose if you're longing it here. 1,700. We gotta lose. Giveaway here, guys. Sign up for the giveaway, like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. These are the things that are mandatory to participate in the giveaway. Otherwise, you cannot. Yeah, the giveaway link is always fresh every day, and it's pinned at the top of the chat. Come on, guys, let's lose a little bit here. And we're gonna set this account to lovely 4,556. We gotta lose 50 bucks. I'm out. We're not gonna lose $10, $17 for that. We're gonna leave it like this. Yeah, maybe lose it. Yeah, maybe lose it. There you go. We lost it. We have 4,499. That's perfect. And the account is 158,699. This is another one. Another one that's close to close to being funded. Right? So for tomorrow, we have two that are very close to be funded. Continuing our journey with evaluations trading. Continuing. This one. I'm longing it here. Sitting at a very interesting spot. Very interesting spot. Look at that, guys. Yeah, we have a lot of evaluations that are in a good shape. A lot of evaluations that are in a good shape. $15-minute looks very ugly, even the 5-minute. But we had some kind of interesting levels. 925. We had the 930s. 200 EMA. We were poor reaction. Poor reaction from that. Let's just get out of this trades, guys, here. It's our new great accounts too. We'll just set some limits here. There you go. This one is just great. This one right there. I'm out of this one. I'll take the loss there. And then that's lost. One account is gone. Pew. Just like that. Out of the window. Damn liquidity they grabbed. Happens. Too much selling pressure, exactly. Good pump and then a massive dump. That's not bad. I'm out. Lovely, guys. We had some trading. 5,355. It's too much. We're going to bring it down. But let me verify. Let me verify how much did we made yesterday on this one. 5,355 here. Another evaluation. We're having 159,714. Clearly that's too much for today. We gotta look up. Here's the count, 4,359 on Friday. Today is not yet updated. We're going to refresh the page. Hopefully they update it. Strong reaction there. No, that's not the account. Where's the account? Where is my account? I'm looking at. Where is my account, guys? Which is the number? It's showing down. It's showing a minus 485, but we're actually up 5,355. It's a little bit delayed. We're gonna wait. One-minute break, and then we get back. And we'll do the giveaway soon. 1-minute break. I'm back in a minute, guys. Be right back. 1 minute. Let's go, guys. Look at the pump. What's happening here? What's going on? So, did they update it from minus here? Not yet updated. Bears are having a difficult time. How can I help them, guys? Tell me. I want to be helpful to bears. There you go, finally updated here on Lucid. Oh my gosh. So we made on Friday 4,359, today 5,355. This would be the fifth account very close to being funded. So I gotta lose some money here, like $900. Let's lose, guys, 900 bucks. I'm gonna long it to lose $900. And I'm gonna double up. We wanna lose. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. A little bit juicy here. Lose. What a lovely fake out. So I touched the daily opening and then down 170 points. This week we have huge chances of finally having 5 funded accounts of 150,000 Lucid Flex. This week we're having huge chances for that, guys. We've got 3 already, and there is about 3 more, so we would actually have some backup accounts. Some backup. No consistency, no target on the funded stage. It's just insane. It's just insane. A Lucid Flex. $9.25 pivot. Yeah, we nicely touch our loss on the account we needed. We have a lot of the accounts out there for the Lucid that are sitting in a very good shape. Even from this one, I want to lose 75 bucks, so I am longing it. Relonging it there. I'm out, unfortunately. Oh, that was a wrong one. We need to lose 100 on this one. I'm out. I'm out. We need to lose 44 bucks. I'm out. 20 bucks, guys. I'm out. That's good. We have lost enough. We're sitting in a very good shape. 925 pivot. Yeah. 925 is 200 EMA as well for the 5-minute chart. 200 EMA. And a daily volume with average price. So This is a very difficult charting here to trade, and we're gonna start the giveaways. We're gonna start the giveaways right now. So we had a tremendous day, Lost a single Lucid Flex account of 150,000, but we got 2 funded, and we brought 3 or 4 to 1 more day of trading needed with just little money. And then out of 3 YRM, we had 2 hitting the great targets on profit, and 1, the big account, which has a lot of buffer, would touch the daily loss, and we still have $18,000 in the account. Right, so it's a great Monday. Especially with a Lucid account, it's a great Monday. Even the YRM, 2 accounts, we got 2 targets there. It was good. Time to do the giveaways. Time to see what do we need. We need the wheel. And we need the ducks. Wheel and ducks. And then we need the formula to verify. So make sure, guys, are going to fill up the form. There you go. Make sure you guys will fill up the form right now to participate in the giveaway. I'll tell you the other rules too. They're very, very well known. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. These are mandatory things besides completing the form, right? So like the video, guys. Come on. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel. You know, on Friday, we hit tomorrow. For the last giveaway on Friday, we have hit tomorrow, guys. You guys remember that? Tell me. Which means that tomorrow is going to be today. So the account we're supposed to share on Friday for the YRM, and that was scheduled for Friday, is going to be on top of the account we have scheduled for today on YRM. So we have 2 accounts of YRM today. 2 of them. Not bad. But there's going to be tomorrow on the wheel today as well. You don't have to guess tomorrow. You only guess numbers. If tomorrow comes out, then we will apply the same procedure. So I'll give you another 10 seconds, guys, to do. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. Keep in mind, if you haven't done this, you're not going to be able to claim the account. And if you are asking for forgiveness, we can't do it. We had tons of payouts from Lucid, tons of them. Lucid is just tremendous, especially Lucid Flex. So only 1 guess per person. The first account we're going to share, the first giveaway, will be Lucid Flex 50K. 50K Lucid Flex first giveaway. That's going to be the first one. Listen up for the numbers. You love me for my trades, guru. Right, so 2 timeouts were enough for guru to learn the lesson. 2 timeouts. Time to start with the numbers here. Just wait. Now you can start from 0 to 9. Guess the number from 0 to 9. Start right now, chat. Start right now. Good luck, everyone. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Guess the number. Best of luck, everyone. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. You're going to get banned and timed out. And you certainly don't want that. For those of you that are interested, we have a complete review video on my YouTube channel posted yesterday about Lucid. A complete review. Comparing the accounts and doing all sorts of stuff. Alright, stop right there. No more guesses. No more. It's over. We're going to have tomorrow shuffle, and give it a go. Best of luck. Best of luck, everyone. We might see that tomorrow hitting again. We had it on Friday. It's not going to be tomorrow. It's not going to be 5, 6. It's not going to be 9. Very likely we're going to have number 7. Very likely. Congratulations, guys. That's going to be the number 7. The paddle tells me we're going to be landing on the 7. Congratulations. There you go. It's fully confirmed. Fully confirmed. And now we're going to confirm you on the duck race. Number 7, congratulations. 22 winners. Great job. 22 winners competing for 30 seconds. Shuffle. Start. Best of luck, everyone. $50,000 Lucid Flex. Good luck, guys. These are the casino guys. We're going to have one more giveaway, and that's going to be heavy. Because in the next giveaway, we're going to share 2 accounts, 2 YRM accounts, if we don't hit tomorrow on the wheel. A rule. With number 11, a rule is the winner. A rule. We're going to find it out. If you did complete a form or not. A rule? A rule Amudan. There you go. A rule. You are confirmed. Congratulations. Good job. Are you here? Maybe not. Are you here? A rule is not here. Needing to select through the accounts. No, your entry is far away from the stop message we had. Your message came in after. Congratulations. Your message came in after our stop. Alright guys, continuing, but you gotta be paying attention to what we're gonna do. Because we're gonna have some nice wheels out here. On your side, you see differently than what we see on our side. Basically, every chat is different, depends on the YouTube. Right. The timing, there is a couple delays right there, the way you see it in your chat. So, let me think about it. So we're going to do 2 accounts in this one. Instead of doing 2 giveaways, we're going to do 2 accounts here. And the giveaway is going to have top 3 will go to second round. And then from second round, from the top 3 to the very first 2 will win. Right? So the very first 2 will win of the second round. That will be 3 players. Right, so first round, top 3 will go second round, and then top 2 will win from there. Each 50,000 YRM accounts. We're sharing $100,000 today of YRM. If we don't hit tomorrow, we'll have to see. But let's just focus, guys, for the numbers. Yes, you can win daily. We're gonna have 000, 777, 555, 888, and that's it. You can start right now. Start right now, guys. Let me know your number. Let me know your number. 000, 777, 555, 888. Best of luck, everyone. Good job. Like I said, top 3 from the duck race first round will go to second round, and then top 2 will receive the accounts. Keep in mind we're going to have tomorrow entry, and that could be quite juicy moving today's 2 accounts bundle for tomorrow. Tomorrow there is another YRM 50k scheduled, and we would share 3 accounts tomorrow if so. Right, so stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. You can stop. You can stop right now. Great. We're going to shuffle this and have tomorrow as well on the wheel. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Jake is missing. He is missing. So I can tell you it's not going to be tomorrow. We're going to have 2 winners today. It's not going to be number 5. Could be the 0, guys. I'm telling you. Could be the 0. Yeah. Could be that 0. Look at that. There you go. Fully confirmed with the 0. Fully confirmed. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Good job, guys. Congratulations. $53 winners. Ho ho. 53 winners for the duck race. Top 3 will go. There's a minute competition time for you guys. Top 3 will go to the second round, and then top 2 will win accounts. 2 out of 3 will win accounts. It's going to be kind of a painful loss if you are not part of that. Largest payout on Lucid, about 3 accounts of 3,000 simultaneously, something like that. Yeah. About 9 grand. But we have not been doing that much of a copy trading to have the payouts correlated to each other, right? We have been doing a lot of particular solo trading. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Because the top 3 is going to have significant chances. Keep running, David. Look at that. Who's going to speed up right now? For you now. Knowledge and Oliver. Tech for you, Knowledge, Oliver, and then we've got Genius as well there. Who knows? Who knows? Let's just verify, people. Tech for you. Tech. Did you fill up the form? Yes, the first one is confirmed. Knowledge is the second guy. Oops, that's a wrong. Knowledge. Let me just... No. Knowledge is here as well, so we got the first 2 confirmed. And then the third one, Oliver. Oliver. Yes, you got it. Congratulations for the winners. Congrats, guys. Let's cheer up. Come on. So we got Tech for you, Knowledge, and Oliver. Tech, Knowledge, Oliver. We have these 3 players competing for a minute, guys. This is the way you're gonna run, guys. This is the way. So chat, tell me right now. You got 3 seconds. Tell me, chat, who's gonna win? Who are you going for? Tell me, chat. Let's go. Let's make this fun. Who are you going for? Tech for you, Oliver, or Knowledge? Who's gonna take the big prize? I mean, there's 2 winners, so only the last guy is not winning. Only the last guy is not winning. 2 guys will win. Only the last guy is not winning. Yeah, tech is not looking good for the moment, but that might not be the same for the outcome. You know, the ducks that are behind are actually the ones speeding up. So we're going to find it out. Probably the last 6 seconds. Guys, look at the tech. There you go. And then who's going to be the next? Well, that's going to be pretty close for the second ranked, and it's still over right here. That was so close. There you go. Confirmed. Look at that. So close. Knowledge did speed up at the end, but insufficiently knowledge. Insufficiently knowledge. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. We've got a Tech. We've got Oliver. These two guys are winning. Tech and Oliver. 50k YRM account goes out to you in your pockets. Congratulations. Oliver's been with us, I'm telling you guys, for about 6, 8, 10 months, or maybe even a year. So Oliver has been here for so many months during all sorts of cycles and journeys and great times and difficult times. You see? Yeah, first and second one, exactly. We had to give $100,000 2 accounts of 50k YRM because on Friday we've hit tomorrow 12 IC. Remember, Friday we've hit tomorrow, so we gave the account today. Yeah, I do remember the notepad. Exactly, I was writing the numbers, guys. That was so fun. Great, thank you guys so much. Scramble coupon max discount. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Looking forward to it tomorrow, and keep in mind, 26th Thursday, we have 1 year anniversary of streaming, which means we're gonna trade normally. I want to focus on that because I like money, but we're gonna give out a lot of money on giveaways, right? So get ready for that. Turn off the bots. We're gonna have a very well performance system activated. Thank you guys so much. Have a lovely day, lovely time out there. We're looking forward to it. And we keep in touch in Discord.